LTE is definitely the future technology, and Orange is supporting LTE. But in order to have the right deployment, we have to work on several issues. The first is the cost issue. Of course, with the explosion of traffic, mobile broadband traffic, we have to optimize the cost of LTE deployment, and this goes through interoperability in order for the operators and for Orange to have the best opportunity to select the best suppliers. And it goes also to operations of LTE, and especially self-operating network, self-optimized network, which is a major issue, which is not yet fully standardized, and this was one of the messages I would like to deliver today. Of course, voice is still a major driver of the mobile business, and we will have eventually to have the full capacity of supporting voice with LTE deployment. So of course, as Orange is committed to IP deployment and IMS deployment, the future solution, the final solution for voice over LTE will be voice over IP supported by IMS. But we want, some optimization to be done before, and probably one of the best solutions will be to have a fallback on existing 2G, 3G networks for voice handling. Orange vision is that we will first deploy LTE on new spectrum, which is definitely the 2.6 band, which is just opening in Europe presently, and probably just after the digital dividend bands at 800, which will be fine for rural deployment. We have been working on LTE standardization, working on the first trials. We will launch with LSTI the first field trials with LTE in 2009. This is fully compliant with what we always announce, and we will deploy LTE by 2011 and the years after. And of course, the first deployments of LTE for the Orange footprint will be in the 2.6 band. HSPA Plus covers a lot of additional features and new standards of several releases. Of course, Orange wants to go all the way down the HSPA story on existing spectrum, but we will decide whether we implement all the features of HSPA Plus, and especially MIMO, which is an expensive deployment, but optimized modulation and things like that, we definitely will deploy them.